doesn't like a hair flip short? We all do. But it gets difficult to manage our hair when we grow older, and especially on a weight loss journey. Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about flax seeds and how you can use it for the maximum benefit when it comes to your hair, because it has numerous benefits when it comes to your hair care. It has vitamin B, vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids that turn out to be great for your hair management and hence can be an essential part of your hair care routine. So here in this video, I'm going to share a few hair masks, hair scrubs and a drink that helps me manage my hair with flax seeds. So I begin with this flax seed gel, very easy to make. Taken few flax seeds and 2.5 cups of water. Make sure the measurements are correct so that you get the perfect texture of the gel. We have taken half cup of flax seeds in about 1.5 cup of water. We are going to stir it continuously for about 7 to 8 minutes. Then it will turn into a gel. This gel-like texture is amazing for your hair. It nourishes, it acts as a wonderful conditioner. So yes, you have to just use any cloth that you use as a separator. You get and extract the gel out of it. It is kind of a mushy thing to do, but one of the most amazing hair masks that I've ever used. I also add some aloe vera gel into it. If you don't have an aloe vera plant at your home, then you can definitely get the aloe vera gel that's available in market. And you can add this to this flaxseed gel that we have made for ourselves, and then store it for about a week in your refrigerator very easily, and you can use it twice a week. This gel-like texture gives an amazing smoothness to my hair. I just apply it bi-weekly and all over my hair, just not on the scalp. That is something that you need to take care of, because whenever you use a hair mask, you have to just leave your roots and apply it all over your hair. Perfect hair mask that gives me nourishment, shine and makes my hair feel very soft and shiny at the very same time. So applying it all over my hair, leaving my roots and then rinsing it well together is something that you will really love about this mask. Next is the banana flaxseed hair mask. This is something that you should give a try. You have to just blend your flax seeds, add one banana you know that has blend of vitamins that gives good nourishment to your hair and a good protein as well. So it is an in-house keratin that you can do, and you can definitely do it once in a week. This is something that is very easy to prepare as well. We have added some honey, some banana and then grinded this flaxseed and mixed it well together. This hair mask is a little bit difficult to apply, but natural things comes with wonders of its benefits. So yes, definitely it has little bit of difficulty while applying it, but leaving your roots, you have to apply it all over your hair and then wash it thoroughly. But because of the granules of flaxseed, it takes time to get off your hair. You have to make sure that you use a sulfate-free shampoo post you're done with hair mask. Then third one is the curd flaxseed hair mask that I often use. It is very easy and simple to make. Honey, some grinded flax seeds. We have added some yogurt. Again, yogurt is very good for your hair. It gives natural nourishment to your hair and is wonderful when it comes to providing that extra smoothness and shine. Again, very simple and easy to apply, very liquid in texture. Apply it all over your hair, leaving your roots, and simply wash it. And after that, use a sulfate-free shampoo for the amazing benefits that it has to offer. It gives your hair good shine and definitely gives my hair a lot of vitamins that it gets from the flax seeds that we have used in this hair mask. Then next one is the last one, and it is a lemon flaxseed hair scrub. This is something that will give your hair the strength. Add some grinded flax seeds, squeeze a lemon and add some olive oil. This will make sure that your hair gets good hair shine, and this will also retain the color of your hair if you use it in a longer run. You can use it this once a week, and applying it is very simple, but it has a granular texture because of its granular texture, your hair gets scrubbed very well, and its color is retained, its shine is retained, and those are the benefits that this hair scrub has to offer. Then simply you have to rinse it all and make sure that you wash your hair very thoroughly, and you can use a sulfate free shampoo post you are done with the mask. So yes, this is something that I do with my hair, and this comes with the outer hair care and the hair routine that I have for myself. But what goes inside is what comes outside. That is what I always advocate. And definitely you can use flax seeds to give you that nourishment internally so that it reflects on your skin and your hair as well. Here what I have done is added a flaxseed powder, some water, lukewarm water, and half a lemon. This gives my body good amount of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B, vitamin E, and fulfills the requirement of important vitamins in my body. So definitely you all must give this a try and consume this at least 2 to 3 times a week. This will not only benefit your hair but is very amazing for your skin and your health. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you get some good hair care tips and routine that you can follow, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay happy. I love you all. Bye bye.